Canva provides a decent selection of frames in both their free and paid accounts, but sometimes you may just need something different for the project you're working on. There's a growing selection of custom Canva frames available on Etsy, and should you decide to purchase a set, here's how to use them. Typically, after purchasing a set of custom Canva frames, your instant download will be in PDF format. The PDF will likely contain a link to take you to your product. Click the link, and a window will appear in your default browser, letting you know that a template has been shared with you. Click the button at the bottom labeled Use Template for New Design. This will open a new project for you in Canva with all the frames already laid out for you. The custom frames that you've purchased will work for you whether you have a free or paid account. In this demonstration, I'm using a free account. It's important to note that the frames you have purchased will not be added to the Frames library in Canva, the section under Elements that shows standard frames available. They'll remain housed in this project, and when you want to use them in future projects, you'll need to navigate back to this project to copy and paste them. So let's start by copying and pasting a frame into a new project. We'll choose an Instagram post. We'll switch back to the window with our Frames project and choose a frame to copy by either right-clicking and selecting Copy or using the standard keyboard shortcut keys. Switch back to your new project and paste the frame in. You can resize and reposition it as desired. Now we'll add in a graphic that we want to highlight in the frame. Let's search for llama. There's a nice looking fella. Just drag the image over the frame, and once it's highlighted in the frame, release the mouse button. Then you can double click the frame to reposition or resize the image in the frame. Simple as that. I hope this tutorial has helped you learn about using custom frames in Canva. The set I've used for this demonstration is linked to in the description. Happy creating!